Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of $23.741. Okay, and if you go on monthly chart, you will see that there is a continuous upside. Okay, but if you go it weekly or day wise, you will see there is a fall. Okay, so if you see at this level that we have seen a level of around 17.5 as a point from a swing was forming at this level. Okay, and chances will be very high that if the price started falling below a level of around 22, we can see a further fall because there is a pattern forming and chances will be high. As soon as it started moving below a level of around 22.7, you can say a further fall we can see. Okay, and now it is trading above $1. Okay, so if it comes close to a level of 22.7 and then if it sustains below that level, a chances of going further low we can see. Okay, now if you look at this particular pattern, okay, and I've already explained you that when the pattern was forming, that if the price sustain a level of $21.102, it will go further high. Okay, and it has made a half around $26. Now the situation is rising that if the price sustain above a level of 26, okay, then a probability of going further upside we can see. Keep that in mind, that a probability of crossing a level of 29 also we can see if the price sustain above $26. Okay, and thereof the few economic events are also coming. See, the next week you can see employment change, it is coming, GDP index is coming, okay, personal consumer expenditure prices index is coming. All these factors and economic data will be showing so much of volatility in the price of silver. Okay, so remember what I say in my workshop, okay, that if you are a beginner, avoid taking trades in volatile market. What will happen, that you will lose so much of your capital, or if it is in profit, that is a good thing, but if it moves around, that means if it moves opposite of trend what you have taken, then it will take out of capital. Okay, you have to remember that. So always try to learn before if you want to trade in the volatile market. Otherwise, when there is no economic event, you can trade on that these days. Okay. So I take that workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding and we can work on the timing. Okay, so suppose before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next month, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, probability is very high that if it moves below level of 22.7, it will go further down, but now it is trading at a level of $23.731. If this level didn't sustain, what we can see, it will move towards a level of $23.438. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we will see it will go further low, and chances of touching a level of around 23. See, if it go below a level of around $23.438, chances are very high that it will go further down, and a probability of going towards 22.863 is there. Okay, now if the price fall below a level of 22.863, it will go further low, and a probability of going towards 22.487 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it will fall further low towards a level of $22. Okay, so now see, this is an opposite trend what we can see. If it moves below a level of 22.4, it's moving further low we can see, and chances of going below a level of 22 we can see. Okay, so keep that in mind. As soon as it started falling below a level of $23.72, we can see a level of $23.438. After that, we can see it will touch a level of 22.863, and if that level also didn't sustain, we can see a level of 22.487. As soon as started moving below this level, we can see it will touch a level of 22, and I've already explained you that if the price fall below a level of 22.487, a chances of moving towards 22.117 will be there, and to a level of $21.328, because there is a pattern forming which is creating, so that probability is very high it will go below a level of around 21.813 if the price fall below $22, and to a level of $21.663 to a level of 21. See, look at this particular trend. A swing is forming. Okay, a swing is forming that has already made a low of around $22.178, which for this particular month we have seen that was a low. Okay, so if the price already tested that, this support is already being tested here, but it has formed a swing at this particular level. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will touch a level of around $24.348. okay, and if it moves above that particular level, okay, trading at a level of $23.477, if it sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $24.348, and if the price move above that level, okay, then chances of crossing a level of 24.648 is there. $24.648 is already being tested here, and that is a weak resistance, so chances are high it will move further upside, and chances of going towards a level of 24.839 is there. Okay, as soon as it started moving upside, we can see it will go further high, and chances of touching a level of around 25.535 is there. Okay, again I repeat, if the price sustain above this level, chances of crossing a level of 24.343 is there, and from there it will cross a level of $24.634, and chances of touching a level of 24.907 is there. As soon as it sustain above this level, it will cross that particular zone to a level of $25.524, and a further upside we can see towards a level of 26.25. okay, that is already being tested, so chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Our mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.